Greetings everyone. Welcome back to the Miniature Manual. In this video I will be unboxing the first variant of MINI GT 164 Lamborghini Revuelto in Blu Eleos. Standard MINI GT packaging with the model number and Lamborghini logo on top. MINI GT logo on the right. Rear side of the box features the product description and license authorization. The bottom part features the hazards. Let's unbox. Wow, just look at this beauty. Side skirts are wrapped in carbon fiber. There's a Revuelto text at the end of the side skirt which looks like it is printed. Rims are painted in glossy black. Lamborghini center cap is there too. Side air vents are wrapped in carbon fiber. The fuel filler is engraved. Headlights are plastic inserts. Daytime running lights are painted. Lamborghini badge is there. Looks like it's a sticker. Front skirts are wrapped in carbon fiber. There is carbon fiber details on this part too. Paint quality is good. Same details on this side. Side mirrors are elastic rubber with no reflective sticker. Rear lights are painted. Rear side also features dual exhausts. This part in the rear is wrapped in carbon fiber. There is a Lamborghini text on this part which looks like it is printed. This part is the best part of this model. Look at the carbon fiber details. Lamborghini and V12 texts are most probably printed too. The base is metal with engraved MINI GT logo and other printed details. Under part of the side skirts and rear part is wrapped in carbon fiber too. This is a nice touch. Successful attempt of attention to details. Wheels roll smoothly. Overall MINI GT did a fantastic job on this casting. Attention to details are on point. Undoubtedly one of the best MINI GT casting of 2024.